Mr. Suresh Chaitu just leaves the president's house. Him and Jason Ash, both members of the Protectors of Prisons and Criminal Justice System, having delivered a 10-page letter calling on the president to answer what happened with the Police Service Commission's merit list and why it was not forwarded to Parliament. Across the road from them is Mr. Kunal Singh.
Who intervened and who is behind the person to intervene. We live in a country which is subject to the influence of the narcotics economy, the gun-running economy, crimes in high office. So we need to know what she should have done, and she knows this. She should have taken the list, written it, and then forwarded to Parliament. If there was anybody who had any problems with the cup on selection list, then in proper place would have been disputed and debated in Parliament. Right? So she clearly acted against the law. Right? And it would have taken a lot for her to do that, because I know she's a very eminent, judicious person. So you want to know what is it that caused her to commit that error and to act against the Constitution. Alright?